Hey folks, MIchael.Bassett here, Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. First of all, let me comment on our dealership. We're a destination dealership. We've got an RV park. We got service 7 days a week. We've got a restaurant, and nobody has that. So we're here to take care of you. We've been around 52 years. Now, what I'm going to show you today is a 2019 DRV Mobile Suites 39. It's got a really nice front end cap, how they designed it. So you can turn the tow vehicle very sharply. We'll walk around to the front and take a look. It's a really neat floor plan. They use bus style windows like they do in the high-end motorhomes. And look at the storage in here. Lots of big pass-through storage. Thickest walls in the industry. They've gone to a new step system that is really cool. It's sturdy. These legs are adjustable if the ground is varying, and then the whole thing flips up inside the coach, so it stays nice and clean when you're going down the road. Got a big patio awning up here, and also an awning on this slide out. The floor plan's kind of unique. Let's go inside and take a look. So we've got a little lighter wood in this, and the floor plan again is really neat because it seems to me you've got really distinction of rooms. With this accompaniment up here, the ceiling fan, this is your definite living area. It's got really nice Thomas Paine seats here, fireplace, sound bar, huge TV. Also it's got two types of MCD blinds. The day shades are nice because unlike the other ones, a breeze can go through this. And then of course you've got your night shades also. And then going into the galley, you've got a nice countertop here. Furrion stove, which is new out there. It's very residential looking. There's the cooktop. And then the other thing I like about this floor plan is this is always going to be your patio side when you're at an RV park. So when you're eating here, you're going to be looking out at your own patio as opposed to somebody's sewer hose or somebody else's patio. It does have a residential fridge with an inverter that's dedicated to it. And let's go up and take a look at the bathroom. Go ahead and take a shot of those sinks. What the ladies really like is the double sinks and the big shower. The other thing I like about this coach is there's no carpet, so even up into the bedroom here. So you can accent it with throw rugs if you like a certain color. Again, nice big bedroom. In the closet there, it does have access for a washer dryer if you so desire. And thanks for taking a look at this coach, and come down and give me a call if you want to look at it in person. Have a great day.